Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and what might be one of the nicest Lancia Fulvias left in existence. This is a 1976 Lancia Fulvia 1.3, and before any purists get up in arms, it does come with the original wheels, the bumpers, the original steering wheel, and the original shift knob. All cosmetic changes are reversible. It is in lovely shape inside and out. All of the gauges work properly. The dash is very clean. There's the shifter, obviously the little add-ons on the pedals. The seats are in excellent condition. The headliner is in excellent condition. All around the edges, the body is in lovely shape. Even underneath, has the pop-out windows up here and back here. It's just a lot of fun to look at because it's in such nice shape. Has an original workshop manual with an English translation, the original spare. All of the doors and the trunk and hood all shut nice and solid. It does not sound like an Italian car. And again, the passenger seat is also in lovely shape. It's a very minor nick right here. I don't know if you can see. The carpets are all in nice shape. Again, the door sills on this side. Both of the door panels are nice. And listen to this. Oh, and under the hood. Oh, while I'm here, I don't know if we can see this on video. There's what might be minor scuffs on the windshield there. And then there's a little nick in the paint right here. And that is it for flaws. So pop the hood. Get this where I can do it with one hand. There we go. And there's the little 1.3 liter 4-cylinder. Oh, we also have the original airbox. But as you can see, again, everywhere is in just such nice shape. It doesn't really have any bad angles. So there you have it. Our 1976 Lancia Fulvia.